criticized this build, but she's here, alive, well. Did have a little bit of bad news. Throttle body went out on it. Mainly probably because I was trying to fit in the charge pipe so hard and probably beat it a couple times, but 30 bucks on eBay got me a pretty much brand new one. Swap that in, put the OEM charge pipe back on it. I slipped a new radio in here because the pixels were dead. I think I spent 40 bucks for a new radio on eBay. And another big improvement was I went and got the bumper painted and the top, and they actually painted the whole entire car. I don't know if it's because the guy knew me or if it was an accident, but I didn't see anything about it. So the car got basically a brand new paint job. Not the best paint job in the world, but for free, I really can't complain. So she's running great. Now, like I said, the only thing I did have to do was get a new throttle body. And since the other throttle body was basically mated to the eBay charge pipe, I went ahead and just picked up a VSRF charge pipe from a member for 50 bucks. So hopefully that should fit in and I won't have to struggle that much. And so besides that, that's honestly the only issue I have the whole entire build. Car still hauls ass. Although I did notice when I was putting the OEM charge pipe, all the oil residue on the diverter valve, so it was definitely leaking boost out of there, and that's why I did feel a significant increase in power once I got the blow-off valve on. But yep, here she is. Any questions y'all got about her, please don't hesitate to ask. 16Ts have been great, haul ass. I love this car, man. I actually put it up for sale, but I don't know, I'd rather sell one of my other projects. But I do need the money to build the M5, which I'm hoping to put a built motor in there with some GTX 3076Rs in there, about 900 horsepower. But you know what, yeah, so that might not be an eBay build. Can't really build that one on eBay. So yep, appreciate y'all all the support. I would take it out right now, but kind of do want to put the charge pipe on it because I'm going to feel disappointed when I drive it feeling slow with the OEM charge pipe and the boost leaks. So I'll stay tuned for the next video. Good hearing from y'all.